Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be diving into The Big Leap by Gay Hendricks, a transformative book that delves into the psychological barriers that hold us back and how we can break free from them. I'm excited to delve into the transformative insights of this book, and I can't wait to share the key takeaways from this powerful book. So, let's dive deeper into the summary of this incredible book. But before we dive into the content, I kindly request a moment of your time to appreciate this video by liking it, subscribing to the channel, and ringing that notification bell. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you so much. The Big Leap is a treasure trove of valuable insights on how to overcome the fears and tendencies that stand in the way of lasting success. Hendricks shows us the many ways we can self-sabotage our own dreams and offers practical ways of avoiding these all-too-common pitfalls. The Big Leap presents a powerful framework for overcoming our inner barriers and reaching our full potential. Here's why this book is worth reading. It offers practical tools to help readers identify and overcome their self-limiting beliefs, allowing them to step into a bigger and more fulfilling life. The book explores the concept of the upper limit problem, providing insights into how we sabotage ourselves and offering strategies to break through these barriers. With compelling stories and relatable examples, it keeps readers engaged, making personal growth an exciting journey rather than a dull chore. Who should read The Big Leap? Husbands and wives struggling to balance their lives. Students of psychology and behavioral science. Ambitious people from all walks of life. Gay Hendricks is a psychologist who has long specialized in couples therapy and promoting the use of conscious breathing as a tool to save relationships. He's also the best-selling author of many self-help books, including 5 Wishes and Conscious Living. As we embark on this journey of self-discovery, it's crucial to understand the key concepts that Hendricks presents in The Big Leap. The first concept that Hendricks introduces is the idea of the upper limit problem, which refers to the self-imposed barriers that prevent us from experiencing true success and happiness. These limits are often rooted in fear and can sabotage our efforts to reach our full potential. Overcoming our fears and limitations is crucial to taking our lives to the next level. In Gay Hendricks' influential book, The Big Leap, he explores the concept of the upper limit problem and offers valuable insights on how to conquer our hidden fears to reach our full potential. Here is a sentence showcasing the greatness of a quote of this book. If you say yes to the big leap, you have done the hardest part. To illustrate the upper limit problem, Hendricks provides vivid examples of how we unwittingly sabotage ourselves when we are on the cusp of achieving breakthrough success. Whether it's self-doubt, fear of failure, or a deep-seated belief that we don't deserve to be happy, these hidden barriers can hinder our progress and keep us stuck in a cycle of self-sabotage. Hendricks introduces the concept of the 4 zones, which are the zone of incompetence, the zone of competence, the zone of excellence, and the zone of genius. Hendricks introduces readers to the concept of the zone of genius, a state where we are fully aligned with our unique talents and passions. In this zone, we experience a sense of effortless flow and fulfillment, tapping into our innate strengths to make a meaningful impact in the world. By identifying and cultivating our zone of genius, we can lead a life of purpose and authenticity. By understanding which zone we operate in, we can identify where our true potential lies and take the necessary steps to move into our zone of genius, where we can fully express our unique talents and abilities. Breaking through limiting beliefs is a central theme in The Big Leap. Hendricks challenges readers to confront the stories they tell themselves about their capabilities and worthiness. By reframing negative self-talk and adopting a growth mindset, we can shatter the barriers that hold us back and unleash our true potential. Gratitude plays a crucial role in the journey of personal growth outlined by Hendricks in The Big Leap. By cultivating a daily practice of gratitude, we can shift our focus from scarcity to abundance, fostering a positive mindset and attracting more blessings into our lives. Gratitude serves as a powerful tool for transcending self-imposed limitations and embracing the limitless possibilities that await us. Hendricks addresses the fear of success as a common obstacle that prevents individuals from reaching their full potential. By recognizing and dismantling this fear, we can liberate ourselves from its grip and step into a future where success is not only possible but inevitable. Embracing success with open arms allows us to achieve our goals and dreams with confidence and ease. Self-compassion is a key component of personal growth discussed in The Big Leap. Hendricks emphasizes the importance of treating ourselves with kindness and understanding, especially during times of challenge or setback. By practicing self-compassion, we can cultivate resilience, inner peace, and a sense of wholeness that propels us toward our highest aspirations. One of the most powerful aspects of The Big Leap is its emphasis on overcoming fear and embracing vulnerability as a pathway to personal growth. Hendricks encourages readers to confront their deepest fears and limiting beliefs, allowing them to break free from the constraints that hold them back and step into their greatness. Here are other invaluable insights gleaned from this captivating book. I trust you will find them exceedingly beneficial. Feel free to delve deeper into its wisdom and let it inspire new perspectives and ideas in your journey. 1. People often resist happiness, but controlled breathing can help us overcome this fear. No one said life would be easy, and sometimes it can really feel like an endless swamp of problems. But ask yourself this: are you really prepared for a life of happiness? Can you even imagine an entire day without having something to complain about? Everyone has their own inner resistance to happiness, an oddly human trait that deserves some close scrutiny. Despite spending a lot of time and energy striving for happiness, human beings aren't especially comfortable or skilled at feeling good or being at peace. School teaches us a lot of things, but there are no high school classes on how to deal with success and happiness. If you were to take the time to look within and uncover why you resist happiness, the answer would likely be related to fear, a fear of achieving your full potential. Because here's the thing: when you become the best you can be, that means there's no more excuse for why you aren't making your dreams come true. This is a fear that must be conquered if you truly want success and happiness. Taking the big leap into a life of happiness requires a great deal of confidence. So let's explore the ways you can learn to overcome this fear and start taking the right kinds of risks. The first technique for breaking the fear barrier is breathing. Back in the mid-1900s, psychiatrist Fritz Perls developed Gestalt therapy, which recognized that fear is, essentially, a sort of breathless excitement. With some focused breathing, you can transform that fear into a positive and powerful excitement that can be used to make great things happen. Let's say you're about to take the stage for a performance or to give a speech. The common reaction to a scary situation like this is for our breath to become constricted, which only makes the fear stronger. But if you take a moment to breathe deeply, you can take control and transform the fear into the powerful energy that lets you take the stage and captivate your audience. 2. Many believe they only deserve limited happiness, and they'll sabotage themselves when times are too good. You probably have some dreams that you keep to yourself because you think they're impractical or out of reach. This common feeling is called an upper limit mindset, and it's the next hurdle to overcome. 3. Improve your life by letting go of useless worries. These days we have more than our fair share of distractions, which is why it's perhaps more important than ever to pay attention to where we're going. And this is about more than keeping our eyes on the road when we're driving. As we move along the road of life, we need to be aware of how often we're getting in our own way. A great way to recognize when an upper limit mindset is trying to sabotage your progress is to catch yourself when you start worrying, and then to question the source of the worry. 4. Success lies in the zone of genius, so find out what you love to do. When was the last time that you got so immersed in something and were so in the zone that you lost track of time? However long ago it was, you'd probably like to spend more time enjoying that state of flow. For this to happen, and for your big leap to really take off, you need to commit yourself to working in your zone of genius, otherwise known as the job you're perfectly suited for. 5. Use a success mantra and the enlightened know to stay on the right track. No one enjoys the feeling of confinement. It's much better to break free and start ascending a never-ending ladder of success. When you find your zone of genius, this is closer to what life is like. And to keep you moving onward and upward, it helps to have a mantra for success. 6. To master time, stop complaining and don't let problems grow. Back at the start of the 20th century, Albert Einstein made history with his theory of relativity, which explained how time and space relate to one another. Well, you don't need to know all the details of Einstein's laws in order to put them to use and become a master of time. That's right. Rather than being at the mercy of time, you can take control of it. And it all starts with taking responsibility and acknowledging that you are in charge. 7. Success is often accompanied by relationship problems, especially when couples avoid responsibilities. When you find yourself in a loving relationship, You may think to yourself, "This is too good to be true." But some people will act as though it really is too good to be true and start doubting the value of their relationship and mess it up. Whether you're successful in other areas of your life or not, relationship challenges are common. Statistics show that financial success can put a major strain on love. Another key theme in The Big Leap is the importance of cultivating a loving relationship with ourselves. Hendricks emphasizes the significance of self-love and acceptance as essential components of personal transformation. By learning to love and value ourselves unconditionally, we can overcome our self-imposed limitations and unlock our full potential. As we wrap up our exploration of The Big Leap by Gay Hendricks, it's clear that this book offers invaluable insights on how to conquer our hidden fears and take our lives to the next level. By breaking free from the upper limit problem, embracing vulnerability, and cultivating self-love, we can unleash our true potential and create a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. You can find the link to acquire a copy of this incredible book in the description below. Thank you for joining us today for this deep dive into The Big Leap. If you found this video insightful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and personal development content. And please share your thoughts on this book summary by commenting down below. Remember, the journey to personal growth begins with a single step. Take that leap of faith and watch as your life transforms before your very eyes. Until next time, stay awesome and enjoy your reading.